Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent these really cool LED outdoor ground lights. These are IP65 waterproof, which is going to be able to be great outside in the weather, and they are completely customizable through an app. So on your phone you actually have an app on here that actually allows you to turn them on, turn them off, and you can go in here and completely customize them. I've got them set up right now for kind of a holiday festivity so I can run these outside for you. But you can dim them down using this functionality in here as well. You can also pick different colors, select those, or you can go in here and actually pick different scenes, different moods. So if you're wanting to have this set up for ocean mode, it'll kind of fade through some different blues and whites, which is kind of cool. It's got a lot of different pre-done up ones here. American style is probably going to be a red, white, and blue. They've got a brilliant one here that does just kind of all the colors. So a lot of really neat options that you got on this. On the back side of this, they do have these little ground stakes that are optional. You can just set these out on a pathway, or we're going to be putting them out next to a pathway, kind of tucking them down in the dirt. So you actually just screw on these little base spikes. That's going to drive it down into the ground a few inches. So that way they're going to hold them in place. Then we'll go out there and shove those in there, and then we'll show you the effect at night. So as you can see, I've actually got 15 of these, and these are really bright, and I've curved them around the outside of this. This has some nice insulated wire that's on this. I'm loving the fact that the spikes, you can drive these all the way down flush, almost in with the ground, which is great. So that way you're not tripping over anything, which is fantastic. These different scenes on here allow you to really have a lot of versatility with all the beautiful colors. You can put it in for the summertime. You can have them flash. You can have them just kind of fade in and out. So a lot of different versatility with this. Loving the fact that they are waterproof and can stay up year round. A lot of customizability. Thank you guys for sending it.